Hello and welcome to my Necron kit bashing guide. In this video I'm trying to show you how to turn 10 brand new Necron Warriors into 15 models from the Immortals box set. So as I said at the top of the video, that you'll need 10 brand new Necron Warriors, coming the Indomitor set or the Commander set, the brand new set collecting boxes. And of course you'll need the Immortals box as well. So this involves a little bit of kit bashing. You'll need scalpel, tweezers, super glue. I recommend super glue, plastic glue, a little file as well, mold line remover, the general stuff that you will need to construct models with. The first model I'm going to show is just a bog standard normal. There we go. It was a bit shiny. That's just a normal Immortal from the box set with no other conversions, no other kit bash, anything. That's just vanilla as you can get it. So that's straightforward and easy, just follow instructions in the box. So inside the Immortals box there are weapons for the Tesla carbines, the Gauss blasters and the Deathmarks as well, and their weapons as well. So in this way of doing this, you will save yourself about £50 if you buy 3 boxes separately. So you want one box for Immortals with Gauss blasters, one box of Immortals for Tesla carbines, and one box of Immortals for the Deathmarks. This way, converting the Deathmarks and the Tesla carbines, or bashing them with a Necron Warrior, you'll save about £25 per box. So 50 quid in total. So kit bashing the Tesla carbine Necron is very straightforward and easy. All you need from the Necron box are the legs, the front and back torso, and the head from the new Necron box. And all you need from the Immortals is the 2 arms. So the arm that's connected to the Tesla carbine, and the arm that comes with the set. So as you can tell, from a distance, that looks like a Necron Overlord. Overlord? No, not Overlord. Immortal. The only thing that's slightly different, as I'll show you the back of them now. Oops, it's easy. Get there, you. There. As you can see now, the Immortal's got some sort of like, I don't know, spine gubbins going on just here on the model. That's different from the Necron Warrior, obviously. They don't have a spine, even though they're Leadership 10. And also as well, there is actually a power cord, power cable, leading from the Immortal spine to the Gauss blaster. Of course, on the Tesla carbine, there isn't. So all you have to do really at the front of the Tesla carbine is chop off the energy bit. You can just see right there just sticking out. I've just cut off with a scalpel the cord leading around to the back. A bit weird is just a cord leading around to the back up at an angle and not connecting to anywhere. So I say that they're both Immortals. Right, this next kit bash is going to be a little bit fiddly, a little bit tricky because some parts don't exactly line up properly. So, as you see in front of you, these are 2 kit bash Deathmarks, and all you need are the legs from the new Necron set, and also the front part of the torso with the ribs and the glyph on. And that's it. Of course, you need the parts from the Immortal box, which is the Deathmark rifle, the arm built into the rifle, the arm connecting the rifle, the left arm from the rifle to the body, and also the backpack, as you can see on this feather over here. The only thing that's slightly different, again, there's no spine built into this feather. You might be able to fill it in with something, maybe some green stuff, or find a cool bit to put in there to make it a bit like your own. I don't know, maybe a spare Necron head, maybe you want to go for a bit more grimdark. Oh, of course, the head from the Deathmark set. Right, the only problem is with this set is lining up the torso and the backpack. There's quite a bit of gappage going on there. You can see the ball for the left arm connecting to the torso. I can't fit that anymore unless I want to really get in there and start hacking away at more material. But to be honest, the job isn't that bad. From a distance you can say that that is a Deathmark. And I made 5 of those feathers. Another problem with this model, that you see that the shoulder is completely exposed. There should be another shoulder pauldron just here covering up that ball area. If you're good with green stuff, which I'm not, you might be able to make a pauldron there to cover that up. But to me, that is a Deathmark right in front of me. And there we go, guys. That's just a very quick guide on how to turn a sprue of 10 brand new Necron Warriors into 5 Immortals with Gauss Blasters, 5 Immortals with Tesla Carbines, and 5 Deathmarks. I hope you find this guide useful, even though it's not step-by-step on how to build stuff. I've literally just started doing this right now. I just got the idea yesterday off work, and I thought, yep, try this kitbash and see what happens, and there we go. Here's your end results. I've now saved myself £50. And I hope if you follow this guide you will save some money as well. Cheerio.